Are you ready to embark on a journey to a healthier you, right from the comfort of your own home? Welcome to the Home-Based Weight Loss Guide, your 5-minute roadmap to shedding those extra pounds while staying within the cozy confines of your personal space. Let's dive into the heart of weight loss, a balanced and nutritious diet tailored for home living. 1. Portion control. The secret to success lies in smaller plates and bowls, championing portion control and curbing overindulgence. 2. Balanced meals. Craft your meals with a symphony of lean proteins, wholesome grains, nourishing fats, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. 3. Hydration. Quench your thirst and suppress false hunger signals by maintaining a steady intake of water throughout the day. 4. Mindful eating. Elevate your eating experience by savoring each morsel, embracing the art of mindful eating to prevent overconsumption. Second step is home workouts. The path to fitness at home is exciting and limitless. Try these invigorating workout strategies. 1. Cardiovascular marvels. Rev up your heart rate with activities like brisk indoor walks, lively dancing, or even some spirited jumping jacks. 2. Strength within reach. Employ your body's own weight as resistance through power-packed exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. 3. Serene stretching. Unleash your inner yogi with tranquil yoga or stretching routines, enhancing your flexibility, balance, and inner peace. 4. Burst of energy. Infuse high-intensity intervals into your regimen, where short bursts of vigorous activity are coupled with brief recovery periods. Next is lifestyle changes. Lifestyle metamorphosis is the cornerstone of your transformation. Let's explore pivotal changes. 1. Sleep soundly. Prioritize restorative sleep, as its absence can disrupt appetite-regulating hormones and thwart your progress. 2. Taming stress. Conquer emotional eating by embracing stress management techniques, from soothing meditation to mindful breathing. 3. Snack smartly. Elevate your snacking game with wholesome choices like succulent fruits, nutrient-rich nuts, and probiotic-packed yogurt. 4. Your progress pathway. Blaze a trail of accountability by meticulously tracking your journey through journals or user-friendly mobile apps. With dedication and these effective home-based strategies, your weight loss odyssey unfolds. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace patience and self-compassion as your allies. Thank you for embarking on the Home-Based Weight Loss Guide. Here's to your voyage toward a healthier, happier you.